Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upgrade your account on Rednote app. It is super easy and simple to upgrade the Rednote account. You can easily do it within few steps. So first we have to open the Rednote app. Once the app gets open, you will be into its home page. Now you have to click onto your profile icon, which is the me section, and then you have to click on to this settings icon. Once you get there, you have to click on account security. Then you have to click on this second last option, which is upgrade pro. Now here everything will be in Chinese. If you don't understand anything, you can just simply take screenshot and paste on Google. Then you can get the translation. From there you will understand. Otherwise, I'll show you which options you have to select for it. Here at the top we have three options. You have to click onto this right one, whatever it is written in Chinese. Now you have to click on this pink option which is at the bottom, and here we have two sections. You have to select the second one. You have to click onto it and then click onto this red option, and now it will ask you to enter some of your information. You just have to simply add it. If you don't understand the Chinese, take screenshot, put it on Google, you will get the translation, and then you can add your information. And basically here you're applying for the upgrade pro. Once you apply for it, your request get processed, and then you will be on upgrade pro of Rednote app. So that's how you can upgrade your account on Rednote app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.